Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Shadowplay if recording or instant replay doesn't work. Alright, let's begin. First of all, use the shortcut Alt+Z to open Shadowplay. If it's not working for you, you will need to open up Settings and then scroll down the list. Next, access the privacy settings and then enable desktop recording. If it is set to off, enabling it will fix your problem, because this setting gives permissions to record your screen. If that's not the issue, the problem might be that your hard drive is full and needs some cleanup. Just go to your File Explorer, check your PC, and see if your hard drive is full. If this still doesn't solve your problem, there's another thing you can do. Open the GeForce Experience program and go to the Settings section. There, you will find an option to turn off the in-game overlay. Toggle it off and then on again a few times to see if that helps. If that doesn't work either, open Task Manager with the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Escape, and then search for Nvidia in the search bar. Now, all the Nvidia tasks will appear in front of you. Simply end every GeForce process and then start it again. If it is still not working, go back to the GeForce Experience program, go to the Drivers section, and check for any available updates. Sometimes, updating your drivers can resolve the issue. If you have tried all of this and it's still not working, restarting your PC might be the trick. And as last resort, you can uninstall GeForce Experience and then reinstall it to get a fresh version. So that's basically how you can fix Shadowplay if recording or instant replay doesn't work. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.